In today's tutorial, let me show you how you can add a blog post to Shopify. Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide Glimpse. So let's begin this tutorial by going to the online store or Shopify and click on blog post from the drop down. Then click on create blog post, add your blog title. For the content, either paste your own or generate it by clicking the button below in this content area. Specify your topic and click generate. If you like the suggestion, click keep or generate again for more options. Next, add an excerpt by clicking on add excerpt and paste your summary. Edit the search engine listing by tapping edit website SEO, where you can modify the page title and description. Once you're done, click save in the top right corner. And finally, click view page to see how your blog post looks. Once again, thank you for watching. This has been Guide Glimpse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos.